By now, you should have received an email letting you know the annual dues billing is available in your member portal. All members will receive an email by Thursday, May 14th. In this video, we will show you how to pay your dues bill online. First, on bayeast.org, log into your BayEast portal. Please review your information on your dashboard to make sure it's current and accurate. To edit this information, click on the pencil icon. There is additional information available about your dashboard under Resource Links. To change to another payment plan and add AutoPay to your account, you'll need to make your first payment. Please click the Click to Renew button. Your membership renewal dues and fees are displayed in the renewal box on the upper left side of the screen. Review the 2026-2027 dues and fees information. Scroll down and view the payment plan options based on the items in your renewal box and the billing disclosures. Scroll to the bottom to select a payment plan. Review your dues and fees. Add your installment payment to your cart. Select that you have read and reviewed the legal notices and disclosures to proceed to make your payment. Select if you would like to leave your credit card on file for future renewal payments, or if you would like to do a single payment at this time. Confirm your transaction total is correct. Enter your payment information. Click on Submit Order to process your payment. All changes to your payment plan must be made by Monday, June 1st, 2026. If you have any questions, please contact the accounting department at 925-730-1070. Thanks for watching.